So this is the room where all my recent videos on my channel have been recorded. But it is a lot more than what you just see on camera. So today I will show you how this room actually works, my complete setup, all the hidden details in this room, and in the end of the video, I will tell you what I believe is the best and the worst thing in my setup. Now this lounge is important because this is where I record my YouTube videos. This is where it also feels like home. And this is where, when it's also time for where are we landing, boys? And it turns into a game room. This video is special, so let's do this differently. Let me just grab the camera. Let's do this vlog style. First ever on this channel. This side of the room you've always seen on camera, so let's get to the other parts of the room and come to this in the end. So first up, to this side of the room, there's the attached kitchen. This is where all the cooking showdown happens. That's where the main entrance is. That's where you enter from. One of the best things I like about this room is this wall right here. Let me take you closer to this one. Amazing wall. As soon as I came up with this design, I was in love with it. Obviously, once you're stepping out, you need a mirror this big to check yourself if you look good, if your outfit is on point. If everything looks good, that's when you step out, ready to go. We've got a plant here, we've got two plants here, obviously artificial. A pair of lights right here, very classy, semicircle type looking mirror, and these panels are special. And I painted them. Some unfinished touches in the room. Now as we move past this wall, go towards this side of the room. This is a closed door. I've got big plans for this room. We are going to be making dedicated game and streaming professional room over here. So subscribe for that video in the future. Let's walk past that room. Over here is a mini workstation. Whenever I've got work to do from home, this is where I sit down. I mean, you can see the setup, very minimal, just a simple clock up there. I do not have a dedicated chair yet. I just move around the sofas, fix one there. That's where I do my work from home. That is the personal bedroom. Tour for that as well, coming soon on the video. For now, we're only touring this lounge. That is another room in progress. That is going to be another surprise on this channel. But let's just talk more about this room. Over here, another simple wall. This is a couch. This wall is basic. Just an extra light up there to brighten up the space. And then we've got a fancy chair here, obviously facing the TV for some extra room. This is our main couch, obviously faced towards the center of attraction, which is our television. Now coming to the main wall of this lounge. Starting here, again, a mimic of those panels that we saw back there on that wall. I painted these ones as well. These three shelves are built into this wall. This mug is from London, United Kingdom, the theater of Lion King. What a beautiful play that was. More decoration pieces, some candles, some candle stands, and a diffuser. Over here, we've got some figures, obviously just for decoration purposes, some more plants. I've got a lamp down there. I really like that lamp, but what that lamp is missing is some smart lights. I've been trying to order some smart lights for that lamp behind me. I'm unable to find a smart lamp of that small size. I don't think Pakistan manufactures those yet. But of course, once I find someone traveling from abroad, I'm gonna get two smart bulbs for this lamp. Right now, we're just working our way with the warm light. Also under these shelves, I've got these lights. We can turn them on, turn them off. That's a whole different atmosphere. Again, I told you my obsession with lights. I really love lights. So you're gonna find a lot of lights in this lounge. But even these lights, I'm really not satisfied with them. I'm planning to change them with smart strip lights very soon as well. Right now, they're just warm. Then coming to the main media wall of this room, obviously our 75-inch TCL TV. It still works good, still runs good. The one problem I always get with TCL TVs is after a certain period of time, TCL televisions slow down, they're unable to catch, they're low in connectivity. The display is good and all, it's amazing. The picture quality, no problems. It's perfect for movie time, it's perfect for games and all the regular stuff. But because the processor slows down, it's unable to catch good Wi-Fi signal. So for that, I've got this Android box right there. Android TVs are really good because if your TV gives you good picture quality, Android TV boxes help you with the processor because then everything processes onto them, not the television. So you're just using the picture quality of the TV and you're using the processor of the Android box, plus the Wi-Fi connectivity is good. It's good to freshen up your TV. I've got one of my favorite plants right here next to the TV. There's a lamp there with a smart bulb. Colors change. Then I've got my PlayStation on the other side, another lamp with another smart TV, and you can see those speakers in the back. That's Audionic speakers, a review for those speakers on my channel as well if you want to check that out. Another extra sofa there with a good rug to match the background of that wall. So coming to this side, this is where I record the shorts of my videos. And then you've got this shelf behind me. Obviously this shelf got more decoration pieces. Most of these decors are from local Pakistan shops. Some of them are souvenirs from different countries I've traveled to. And then throughout this wall, starting from that side, all the way up to that shelf, I've got a smart strip light running up there. Obviously, right now, all the lights are turned on, so it's not that prominent at the moment. But according to what you're playing, what you're watching, you can adjust the color for that as well. In love with smart lights. If you want recommendation, the Lit company is really good. There's other local companies as well. And while we are on the subject of talking about lights, I just got installed in this room 2 studio lights. One is up here, warm color, and then one right up here. This is for my YouTube videos. I mean, this light is amazing. As soon as I turn it on, this really helps. Lighting is one of the most important part of YouTube videos. So this light is amazing for YouTube videos. So the best decision I've made with this setup is keeping it flexible. Like nothing here is permanent, well, most of it. I can move things, I can change angles, and that really matters more than expensive gear. So the best thing in this entire setup, out of the many, has to be this Lion King mug. Now I know this is not something techy or fancy. This definitely has an emotional aspect to it, a very important background story to it. Not because this is tech related, but because it holds a very special story for another time maybe. Now the worst thing about this setup definitely has to be the fans. I mean, you just look at them and they really need to be upgraded. I've thought about it many times. I don't know why still till date it has skipped my mind, but for sure we need these out and we need new ones in. So if you're setting up a space at home, do not copy setups you see online. I mean, yes, do get ideas and inspirations, but really build something that fits your lifestyle. But most of all, spend as much time as you can planning it first. Comment down below what you loved about my setup and what you hated about my setup. 500 comments and I will make a detailed budget tour of this lounge. Till then, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.